friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Rouge is one of the most beautiful and historic neighborhoods in Scarborough, Ontario. This area is known for its blend of nature, history, and community spirit, making it a fantastic spot for locals and visitors alike. Rouge is home to the Rouge National Urban Park, Canada's first national urban park. It covers a vast area with forests, wetlands, and scenic trails. This park isn't just for a casual walk, it also protects rare plant and animal species. It's a perfect getaway from the city hustle, while still being within Toronto's borders. If you enjoy outdoor activities, there's a lot to do here. You can hike along trails, paddle on the Rouge River, or even camp overnight at the Glen Rouge Campground, the only campground within the city of Toronto. With so much biodiversity, it's a nature lover's dream, whether you're birdwatching or just relaxing by the river. Historically, this area has deep roots. Indigenous peoples lived here for thousands of years, and there are still traces of their presence today. The Rouge River was a key route for travel and trade, long before European settlers arrived. Later on, the neighborhood grew into a farming community, and many of the old farmhouses and rural landscapes still stand as reminders of its agricultural past. Whether you're here to explore the park, learn about history, or simply enjoy the peaceful vibe, Rouge offers a little something for everyone.